At Vidal Design Collaborative, we love cement tiles so much that we decided to design and fabricate our own. We want to share with you some tips for a successful cement tile installation. Surface must be clean and free of moisture. Order 15% extra for waste and breakage. You'll need thin-set mortar, clean bucket, half-inch trowel, and sponge. Be sure to pull tiles from different boxes and blend. Lay out the tile to establish the desired pattern. Cement tiles are porous. Raw tiles can be easily stained until they are appropriately sealed. Mix thin-set until a smooth consistency is achieved. Pro tip: use rubber gloves. Lay out tiles in desired pattern. Cut tiles to size with a wet saw and diamond blade. Use a grinder with a diamond blade for irregular shapes. Pre-wet tiles with a sponge. Using a half-inch trowel, apply mortar in a circular motion. Make sure to correctly orient the tiles and press down with your hands. Do not use a mallet. It will create micro cracks. Scoop out extra mortar and use spacers for even joints. Let thin-set dry for 4 days. Use a utility knife to clean out excess mortar. Grout float and grout. Mix grout and water in a clean bucket. Add water as needed to achieve a smooth butter consistency. Spread grout evenly and into gaps. Be sure to remove excess grout with a clean damp cloth or sponge. Let the grout dry for a day before applying a penetrating sealer. We hope this helps. For any questions regarding installation procedures, email us at hello@vidaldesigncollaborative.com. Here are some of our cement tile designs. If you like them, our tiles are available for purchase directly from our site. To see more of our cement tiles, visit us at vidaldesigncollaborative.com. Our studio designers can help you design your layout for maximum impact.